Maximize protection and reduce the chance of damage with these packing tips. Can I use any box? Not all boxes are created equal. The ideal packing box should be made from good quality cardboard, strong enough to protect your precious contents, and be stacked on top of each other. If you don't have the right boxes, you can purchase directly from Conroy and pick up from your local branch or have them delivered to your door. How many boxes should I aim for? While you don't want to overload, you should aim for the smallest number of packages to speed up your move. Lots of boxes and loose objects will slow down the removal process and increase the risk of damaging your property. You can find out more information on packing correctly in our What Goes in What Sized Box video. And last but not least, everything should be firmly packed with nothing protruding out the top of the box so they can be stacked. And give yourself plenty of time to pack so you can do the job properly. Conroy Removals has DIY packing all boxed up. Head here for more tips.